How are colors emitted from objects? In this video we answer the question, how exactly does a red wall emit the color red and no other color? This has intrigued scientists for many years. It is well known that objects absorb light, and then emit newly created light that conveys the colors we see. So for example, the question is, how exactly does a red wall emit newly created light that is exactly calibrated for that color? The newly created light carries thermal energy, and this determines the color. For example, if the photons are tightly packed in a ray of light, the thermal energy will be high. The colors blue and violet come from high thermal energy, and the colors red and orange from low thermal energy. Let's suppose you turn on a light switch and see a red wall. The room light will be absorbed into the electrons of atoms behind the red wall paint. Then the electrons will emit newly created light called incident light, that conveys the color red to the eyes. So this incident light is created by electrons inside the wall. The number of electrons in atoms varies, depending on the object's color. To know the number of electrons per atom in different colors, see a periodic table. Red paint will have atoms with about 1 electron. Blue light can have up to 8 electrons per atom. A red wall will emit photons less frequently than a blue wall because the atoms have less electrons. This means the density of photons going from a red wall to the eyes is less tightly packed with photons compared to a blue wall. This in turn means the thermal energy from a red wall is less intense than a blue wall. The lower thermal energy tells the brain to see red rather than blue. All light is made entirely of separate moving photons and nothing else at all. The distance between the moving photons determines the density of photons in a given ray of light. In the case of a red wall, the distance between any two photons going towards the eyes will be about 700 nanometers. Remember that all photons move at the same constant speed. This very simplified example serves to explain exactly how colors are emitted from objects. It comes down to the number of electrons in the atoms of objects. And the number of electrons is determined by the color of the object. Thank you for watching. To find out how objects convey their colors, see our sister video below. Please do subscribe.